This chiller is basically a cooled box fan. It's got a long 6-foot cable. It has the option of a low, medium, and high, which has really good flow on high. You have the option to set it to swing, so it'll actually basically oscillate, and then you have the options to manually turn these to, if you need them to aim up or down. In this case, most of the time you probably want them to be going upward. You have the option of a timer here, and if you want to trigger the cooling, you can do that as well. Simply by adding in these cooling packs from the freezer, filling the water tank, and then using the cooler option, and you'll begin to have chilled air. Much better than a regular box fan. It also comes with a remote and 4 more ice packs to keep you going.